exercise 166, page 421, question 4. Question 4 is one of the required questions for the BTEC course. So I'm not going to do that particular one. I'm going to do one very like it. And then afterwards, you can have a go at the question in the textbook. So for this particular one, recognizing another way to think of or to write 5 sine cubed 5x plus 4 is the way forward. The cube here, this cubed at this point, means that sine of 5x plus 4 is all cubed. So another way to write it is as it's written below here, 5 bracket sine of 5x plus 4 all cubed. So now I can see that the first thing I'll do is work out what 5x plus 4 is, find the sine of that, and then cube the whole lot. So we've actually got effectively the chain rule being applied twice to do this question. So let's have a go at it. I'm going to let u equal sine 5x plus 4. And so du by dx is going to equal, again we have to think of the 5x plus 4 as a u or some other letters to represent the inner function. So it's like applying the chain rule twice, but if we do this one by inspection, as we have done in that previous question, so this is going to be the differential of sine, which is the cosine of the bracket, 5x plus 4, multiplied by the differential of the bracket, which is just 5. So in fact, du by dx turns out to be 5 times the cosine of 5x plus 4. Now, because I've let u equal sine 5x plus 4, I can rewrite y as equal to 5u to the power 3. So therefore, dy by du equals 15u squared. So now the chain rule tells me I've just got to multiply these two together. So I'm going to get dy by dx equals dy by du, which is 15u squared, multiplied by the differential of u with respect to x, which is 5 cosine 5x plus 4. And so now replace u with what I set u to be. I let u equals sine 5x plus 4. So this will be 15 times 5, actually, what can do that bit, can't I? 5 times 15 is 75. U, which is sine 5x plus 4, all to the power 2 times the cosine of 5x plus 4. But remember, I can rewrite the sine of 5x plus 4 squared conventionally as 75 sine squared 5x plus 4, and that's all multiplied by the cosine of 5x plus 4. Looking at this one and trying to do it by inspection, not a straightforward one, but we can do it with practice. So what I'm going to do is ignore the cubed part of it, or ignore the sine 5x plus 4 part of it, rather than just think of it as something cubed. So if I differentiate that, that will be 5 3s are 15 times that something, which is sine 5x plus 4, but now squared, so sine squared 5x plus 4. And then multiply that by the differential of the bit I ignored, which is the sine of 5x plus 4, which turns out to be the cosine of the bracket, multiplied again by the differential of the bracket, which is 5. And then timing up, we've got 5 times 15 is 75, sine squared 5x plus 4 times the cosine of 5x plus 4. Not a straightforward one, but have a look at the question in the textbook.